guys! Welcome to my channel. Another video, another panty haul. Ayan. So, of course, guys, dahil for today's video, another panty, guys. So, isang set niya, yung sinabi ko sa inyo, ang dami kong binili na same, ayan, ganito siya. And then, iba-iba yung kulay. So, marami akong binili na ganito. Okay. Let's choose the blue. Okay, blue set, guys. Okay. This is very fit to me. Ayan, tanawa. Blue. Yung matching the blue. The blue. Ayan, the blue. Okay, so this is XL. Tanggalin na natin. XL, guys. So this is worth I think 49 pesos. Okay, so ganito siya, guys. Comment below, guys, if you like my videos. Comment below, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So, ayan. So, guys, ito siya. Blue, ang ganda ng kulay. With heart and lipstick. Ganito, fashion siya na panty, guys. Napaka-kikay, napaka-sexy pack. I really like it. I hope you like it also, guys. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Actually, it's same ay hindi pala. Nire-session ng panty ko. Akala ko parehas. Okay. So, ito naman isa. Okay. Ang isa naman, ay XL din. This is, hindi ko alam kung anong kulay ito eh. It looks like green and gray. Ambot. I don't know what is this color. Okay. Tanawa na lang nyo. Okay. Ganito siya, guys. I really like it. I really like this also, and very nawa good fit to me. Tanggalin na natin ang okay. And XL also. This is 39 pesos. So less than $1. I think this is 50 cents. I know. Maybe 80 cents like that. Okay. So ayan siya, guys. Tanawa. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. I really like this one. And fit talaga siya sa akin. And then also, I really like it because very comfy. 100% cotton. Tanawa ang pack. I really like this one. Comfy siya. And then maganda talaga yung kanyang guys. I really like this kasi maganda yung kanyang fittings, and then yung garter, I like the garter also, and of course maganda din ang kanyang quality. The quality is important, guys. So this one, I can wear this as an everyday use. Okay, everyday use siya, guys. Ayan, kailangan ka ganun. So, dapat suot na natin to. Okay? Suot na natin to. And let's see if kasya sa akin. Okay? Let's go. Suot na natin, guys. Ganito ang kanyang guys. Ganito yung kanyang fittings. Maganda siya, guys. Maganda. And then, I really like it. Kasi, tanawa good. Blue. Partner sa aking damit na blue. I like it so much, and fit talaga siya sa akin. Okay? So, sorry about my tummy. I gain weight. Pero okay lang yan. Ayan siya, guys. So, maganda ang kanyang fittings, and then same pa rin dito. Like and subscribe, everyone, and comment below para makita nyo. Ayan. Maganda siya ang kanyang fittings. Good quality, and of course, maganda talaga ang kanyang pack gunner ng kanyang mura lang siya, 39. Tapos pwede mo na siyang pang everyday wear. I like it. Diba, guys? I hope you like it also. Ayan. So, suot na natin, guys, ang isa para naman makita nyo rin. So, guys, ito yung isang kulay. I like it, guys. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ganda ng kulay, guys. comfy siya, maganda siya. And then, very, very comfortable yung kanyang fittings, guys. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Very cute. Yan. Diba? Maganda siya. Buti naman wala na akong kagat ng lamok ngayon. Very good quality also, guys. Ayan.